This bird comes here and does this every single day, several times a day. I think he wants to come and live inside. This is just right outside my kitchen window. He just hops from leaf to leaf to leaf. And then he knocks on my window. Hello. He's a funny little thing. What is it with this house and birds? Bye, little man. Have a good day.